In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bank feeds in QuickBooks Online. Bank feeds help you bring your bank and credit card transactions directly into QuickBooks, so you can review and record them quickly and accurately. Let's walk through the workflow from start to finish so you know exactly where to click and what each area means. First, on the left panel, click on Accounting. This is your central place for managing the books. From here, go to the Bank Transactions tab. This is where your connected accounts appear and where all imported transactions are displayed for review. Next, select the specific bank feed account you want to review. If you have multiple accounts connected, make sure you're on the right one by checking the account name and the balance shown. This helps keep you focused on one account at a time and reduces the chance of mixing up transactions. At the top of the bank feed table, you'll see 3 tabs: for review, categorized, and excluded. Think of these as stages in your review process. For review is where new, incoming transactions land. Categorize shows items you've approved and added to your books. Excluded holds items you've intentionally left out so they don't affect your accounting. In the For Review tab, you'll see your synced bank feed transactions. Here, you can sort and scan through them to compare with your bank statement or internal records. Take a moment to look at the date, description, and amount. If the transaction clearly belongs in your books as is, you can go ahead and click the Add. QuickBooks will post it to your ledger using the default or suggested details. If you need to be more precise, click on the transaction to edit its details before adding it. This is the best time to choose the correct account category, such as an expense or income account, and add a payee or memo if needed. If this incoming transaction matches something you already recorded, like a customer payment or a bill you entered, use the Match option instead of creating a duplicate. Matching keeps your records clean and prevents double counting. Once you confirm a transaction, it moves out of For Review and into the Categorize tab. This is your confirmation that it's been added to your books. You can always open the Categorize tab to spot check your work and ensure the right accounts were used. If there's something you don't want counted in your books at all, that's what the Excluded tab is for. And that's all. By following this flow, accounting, bank transactions, pick your account, review in For Review, add or match, and confirm in Categorized, you'll keep your books accurate and up to date with minimal effort.